Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 10th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is either going to go up and make a running flat, which would probably bring us down to one of these lower fib extensor levels like this, or it's going to make an expanding flat, which will most likely bring us up above these highs. Whether it's an expanding flat wave C or whether it's a running flat wave C, I don't really care because either scenario has us going up for quite a while. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that we have a running flat wave 2, which would make this right here a wave 1. That would make this right here an ABC of 2, and that would make this already going up for a wave 3. I do think that we very likely have found the bottom on the daily weekly time frame, and that we are very likely already in the very early stages of this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, I personally think that we've found a bottom down here. I think that we may already have this wave 3. I actually think this is impulsive up, 1, 2, 3 waves down, and now we're actually back into the uptrend. I think it's going to go up, take out these highs, and continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, just like I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, I think what happened here is we had an irregular ABC correction. This right here I think is definitely impulsive. I think this right here is 3 waves up, and I think this is a very good example of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So I think it's an irregular ABC. I call it irregular because the wave B took out the high of the previous trend. But I think this is likely to be going up now. Maybe even a wave 1 and a wave 2, and if that's the case, then yeah, I think this will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we do have some more news coming out today. It'll be interesting to see what it does. I think the trend is definitely up, so I would like to see it just continue to make these higher highs, higher lows. If it just keeps on going up, great. I'll just keep on looking for entries to go long at the end of every single one of these pullbacks. The question is how these subdivisions are actually going to play out. Is today's dollar news actually going to cause it to go down, take out these lows before it actually goes up? Or is today's dollar news going to cause this to make a higher low, and just keep on trending up? Honestly, I have no idea. All I know is that the trend is up on my very high time frames. So whether it does this or whether it does this, I don't really care because either scenario I will definitely be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. I think the trend is up on the higher time frames. I think this is likely to be the bottom of a wave 2. I think we're in the very, very early stages of a wave 3, and I think this thing has a lot of upside potential. So I definitely will be looking for longs at least until the higher time frames prove me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.